This is Jake Rodriguez Pamparada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to create a database using PHPMyAdmin in MySQL. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. Before we can start creating a database, make sure that we are using some control panel, and then the Apache and MySQL web server should be started, the services. And then here we go to, after that the browser, the control of the services started, we will go to our browser, and then basically we can just type localhost PHPMyAdmin. Press the enter key. As we can see here in PHPMyAdmin, it's easier to create a database in MySQL. We simply go to database, and then we type here, let's say for example we want to create a database for payroll. We type payroll and click create. By doing so, we have already created the database here. So we have already done, very simple, very fast, creating a database using PHPMyAdmin in MySQL. I hope that you have learned something new in our tutorial video. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is Jake Rodriguez Pamparada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Says until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.